Hi, I'm Slava from DTF UK. In this quick video, I'll show how to build a DTF gang sheet for DTF transfers in Canva. You might open the Canva in the browser, or either way you can download the application to your desktop and open this application. I have already downloaded, so this is the Canva dashboard. You need to click on the Create a Design, and then you need to choose Custom Size. Instead of pixels, you have to choose either millimeters or centimeters. In my case, I will choose centimeters and define the 57 by 100, which will be equivalent to 1 meter DTF gang sheet. Then I click on Create New Designs. On the left sidebar, you will see the navigational menu. In our case, we need to have uploads. You can either upload the new design that you would like to add to the artboard, or you can choose the existing design that's been uploaded already. In my case, I have uploaded them earlier, therefore I'm just simply clicking on them, adding those designs to the artboard. As you can see, those designs pretty big one, so I need to reduce the size. When you mouse click and drag, you will see the dimensions of the image. The most preferable size for the t-shirts from S till L is 28 centimeters, so I will simply dragging to 28 by width, and I can drag image to the left. Therefore, I can duplicate by clicking Command D on the Mac or Control D on the Windows PC, and holding the Shift button, I'm dragging to the right, and I will be simply arranging artworks just right each to the another. So like this one. Then I'm getting the next one, so the same, dragging from the corner and making it 28 centimeters width. I will delete this one. I will be placing another one. So then selecting one more, moving, dragging to the right, and then from the left corner just making it a bit smaller. 28 centimeters is pretty much enough. Then taking another one, this might fit here. 29 fits perfectly. Then taking another one, you can rotate the image in order to make it allocated to the artboard. We can make this image 33 centimeters, which will fit perfectly to the Excel, about the Excel size, and will look perfectly. Then we'll add a couple of more. So this one, and this one I will make 33 centimeters, maybe 28. So similar to that one, and we'll duplicate another one. We'll paste it here. Also I will do the smaller version of the Happy Mothers. So I will rotate, we'll place it here, and we'll make it a bit smaller to fit it. Yep, so our artboard is ready to go. Now we need to share it. You need to click on share button, then download. You need to say I would like 3 times bigger, and I would like to have a transparent background, otherwise all the whites will be visible on the images during the print. Also, this feature, by increasing the image size, only available in paid version of the Canva. Therefore, there are a few options. The option 1 is to pay for the Canva, Or other option, if you have the free Canva, you can send us the link to this design and we would be able to export with the highest quality to be ready to go. Then I click on download. The system generating file, actually DTF Gantt sheet. As you can see, generating with untitled design and also suggesting the untitled design for us. So we need to, it's gonna be 1 meter mom's design. So save it and job's done.